Hi, good morning everybody. I had a great sleep. I'm on my road to Russian River Provincial Park, and I'll see you there. I'll stop along the way. Bye. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am done driving for today and I have arrived at my campsite for tonight. I've already set up, but I'm so excited to show you my campsite. It is like just the best. $34 or $38 for the night. It is amazing. So I'm at Russian River Provincial Park in just outside of Kenora, Ontario. One of my favorite places. Before I go to bed, I'll tell you about the significance of this park to me. But anyhow, I hope you are excited, because I'm excited to show you how amazing. Like, just look. So I go down this little trail, not road, trail. And it just keeps going and going. So like, yeah, I have all this privacy, right? It's like all this privacy, which I'm so excited about. And it just keeps on going. Yeah. So then we get here, as you can see, the girls is already set up. The tent's already set up, ready to go. That's a great platform. Like, you could probably add like another big tent on this, or another single tent, two-man tent. It's a great site for a family just to get away to, or just like myself, who's just camping by herself. Like, oh, so beautiful. But let me show you this, because this is the best part of it. I walked down, and just right outside of my tent, I have my own lake, my own little private beach, my access to the lake. How exciting is that? So I'm going to take a little dip in the water later. And it's okay because I'm on my swim gear, but I'm still going in. I'm bathing suit, and I'm by myself, so it's okay to be a little bit adventurous. Anyhow, so look at that. That is my campsite for the night. It does not get any better than this. Anyhow, so I'm gonna go set up something to eat, because I haven't really eaten all day. And I'm gonna then take you on a quick tour of the park, and then we're probably just gonna say goodnight, and then yeah, I can tell you the story of Russian River Provincial Park. All right, how great this is! Like, it doesn't get any better than this. Like, wow. Okay, see you later. Talk to you soon. Bye. So yesterday the fire took forever to get started, and the wood wasn't dry. So when you have really dry wood, it is so easy to start a fire. Beautiful fire. I'll just give you a shot of my amazing. That's my back door. Okay, hi everybody. The site just keeps getting better. I was sitting on the bench looking at the water and I just happened to turn my eyes and discovered a beautiful blueberry patch. Wild blueberries. Almost ready. I ate one already, so they're good. So that's going to be my dessert tonight. How awesome. Look at this patch. Like, how great is that? I'm going to pick every single one of them. So, yeah, it just keeps getting better by the minute. All right. So, again, as the more I walk, the more I discover. Makes you want to think, like, you know, when you eat a blueberry, you're like, oh, that's a blueberry in the wild. But when you eat a blueberry in the store, right, doesn't taste much like a blueberry. Just flavorless. Anyhow, maybe I'll come across another patch of different kind of berries, but like, it is just endless. Endless. Almost. So I'm not going to pick it all because the bears probably need some. And maybe other campers will come along and discover that this campsite really just keeps giving. And picking berries are really a hard thing. They're not as easy because they're so small. But I'm going to pick as much as I can. All right, bye. So I'm just finishing picking some blueberries. They're quite delicious. I ate some while picking, and I'm going to eat some before I go to bed and hopefully pick some more before I leave tomorrow. So I'm going to try and show you a little scenery of the park. It's quite beautiful. It is endless, so we're obviously not going to see it all. I know a lot of canoe people who go on long canoe trips, they usually start off here or they finish here. So I know it like Kenora, it's called their Lake of the Woods. So there are many lakes to discover. Anyhow, so I hope you enjoy the tour of the park. Okay. So Russian River is more of a family park. This is where the amphitheater is, and they would show movies or do plays for kids. I'm not sure because of the COVID if that's what they're doing, most likely not. And they have a really great museum just straight up ahead, and it's unfortunately, again, because of COVID, it's closed, but you really get a cool picture of the history of Russian River and yeah, too bad. But it's quite a beautiful thing to see, so if you ever come, just come and check it out. All these little things, yeah, to discover here. So this is like the canoe trail that I was telling you about, right? It's a pretty long canoe trail. I mean, it'd probably be amazing to do. More blueberry patch. Oh my gosh. This is where I should have my daughter with me to go get them all. rushing river. Just beautiful. Tranquility is the thing. When you want to go camping, you have to have a sense of that is tranquil, peaceful, calm, enjoyable, all the good words. I hope you enjoy the tour of the park. So once again, this is a great family park. And if you ever want to come, bring your family, come by yourself, come with your lover, your friend, whoever, and come enjoy it. Russian River, Provincial Park. Hi everybody, I'm in my tent. I'm halfway into my sleeping bag and I'm ready to go to bed. But I just wanted to say thank you for joining me today. Russian River Provincial Park is one of my favorite parks in Ontario. It is absolutely stunning and wow, isn't this a great campsite? Campsite 200 in case you ever come. When I was 17, I applied for a job as a park ranger and I got it. And so I came out here from Toronto and I spent I think about almost 2 months out here, and it was one of the best times of my life. And I always have really great memories every time I drive past it or I see the name. It just brings back a flood of memory, and today brought back a flood of memories. So thank you for that. Yeah, thank you, because it was exciting to share it with you. I was hoping to get the sound of the loons. The loons, they sound like they're singing all night long, and I just wish I had that opportunity. I think I got one recording, so hopefully you will enjoy it. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. And the stars here are pretty amazing. So if I wake up in the middle of the night, I'll try to record some for you. So tomorrow I am off to Brandon, Manitoba. I think because of COVID, I'm just going to be staying at hotels. So this is the last camping site that I'll be staying at. But what an amazing site to end this camping trip on. Yeah, so I think it's time to just, as I move from province to provinces. Anyhow, have a good night. Thank you so much, and till we meet again. So, you know what to do. You can like, subscribe, or share. Whatever you want to do. Anyhow, thank you for just watching. Have a good night. Bye.